guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna go to China and we are gonna share with you really nice recipe of hot and sour potato stir fry, guys. This is extremely delicious and you are gonna be totally falling in love with Chinese side dishes, guys. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, let's see what type of ingredients we are gonna need. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with vegetable oil. We are gonna use in total 3 tablespoons. Then we are gonna use apple vinegar. In total, I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons. 3 pieces of green onion, 1 piece of bell red pepper, 2 potatoes, medium size, tiny bit of ginger, 2 pieces of garlic, 4 pieces of dried red hot chili peppers, little bit of rosemary, black pepper, and salt, guys. So let's do it. So guys, first of all, I want to show you how to cut potatoes. First of all, you cut like this and make sure that you cut it straight. Then the point here is we need to cut it as thin as possible. And when you have all the slices, make sure that you just make it like this, and then you cut it even more thin. I have got here still water. I'm gonna add here 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Here is 1, here is 2. Once I've added, I'm gonna mix it. Then all the potatoes that you've cut, then place for 40 minutes in a water with vinegar. This should change the texture of it. Let's start, guys. So I'm gonna open the fire on the highest level. Then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna add rosemary. And just let it fry for a bit. Add our garlic. I've diced it into matchstick sizes like this, very thinly. Also, I'm gonna add them. Then ginger also, I've cut them into matchsticks. Just let it fry all together. So guys, what I did was I cut white part of onion and I've cut them in circles, and I've cut our red pepper into matchsticks. Also, I'm gonna add them. You can make the fire lower and then let them fry. So guys, now what I'm doing is I'm taking the potatoes and I'm gonna use this to have less water in my potatoes. All right, this way it will be gone. The soaked water will be gone. Our potatoes. Then I'm gonna mix them. Adding our diced dried hot pepper, all of it. Now I'm gonna mix black pepper and salt. Just mix them up. And then just spread it like this. And we are gonna mix them. So guys, I'm gonna let it cook. So guys, when you try the potato out and it is ready, then you close the fire. Then guys, you are gonna take fresh green onion that is cut round and just spread it all around, guys. Oh God, it smells so good, guys. I heavily suggest to all of you to try this out. This is perfect side dish, guys. When you try this out, you will definitely feel like you are in China. Oh my goodness, guys, it smells so delicious. Try it out. Let me know in the comments what do you think about Chinese side dishes or Chinese kitchen in general, guys. I love Chinese kitchen and I love this side dish particularly. Bon appetit, guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice, great evening, guys. Goodbye.